Hey everyone, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour on one of our brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HDs. This one is equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. It's also based on the LTZ model with the Z71 package. You'll notice that this truck is finished off in Cajun red. It has a really nice color to it in person. And then making our way up front, this has parking sensors that are nicely integrated into the body colored front bumper. We have the redesigned grille with Chevrolet right in the center. Really nice mesh on the backing of it. This also has a forward-facing camera, and it also has the hood decal as well. You'll notice this is a massive truck. This is equipped with the 5-inch Rocky Ridge lift kit. You'll see all of the stabilizers and all of the suspension components up underneath. And then we have a set of 20-inch wheels. They have a really nice deep dish design to them, wrapped in a 37-inch mud terrain tire. So we definitely have a nice set of wheels and tires for this truck. You'll see we have the K2 Rocky Ridge badge as well. And then being such a tall truck, we have power side steps. So when you open the door, makes it very easy to get in and out. And then when you close the door, of course, they will retract. We also have a bed step as well, making it easier to access items in the bed. You can see we have the same wheel and tire setup for the rear. And then making our way to the rear end of the vehicle, we have the body colored bumper, more parking sensors, and another side step. And then this does feature a soft opening tailgate, so just by pushing on that button, and then you can just push on that same button and it will automatically close. Hopping inside to our Duramax now, with the LTZ package, you'll notice that we have leather seats. They're heated and ventilated as well. This also comes with navigation with the large screen and a sunroof up top. And then my favorite feature, part of the K2 package, is the lockable gun safe. You'll see Rocky Ridge logo on it, along with being able to lock it. And then you have plenty of space. You can put guns and any other items that you'd like to safely secure. And then another feature is the headrest. You'll see the Rocky Ridge logo embroidered up there. Another cool thing with this truck is we have 5 auxiliary switches on the left side of the steering wheel. So if you want to hook up some lights or you have some other accessories that you'd like to do, you have an option to do that with those switches. And then being the full crew cab, we have plenty of space in the rear seats for passengers. I really like the hidden compartments that are on the backrest of the seats, and these are heated leather seats as well. Getting our 2500HD out on the road now, the first thing that comes with the Rocky Ridge K2 kit that I want to go over is the speedometer recalibration. So you don't have to worry about that being off with the oversized tires, which is a nice feature to see right off the lot. And everything is very well put together. Taking turns like this, for a lifted truck, it handles very well. It drives just like a stock 2020 Silverado would, and the kit is very composed. So I love how even with this kit, it drives smooth, it handles well for a lifted truck like this. The exterior has a lot of nice features, and then we have a lot of nice features on the interior. Definitely plenty of visibility in a large truck like this, and I love the fact that we have the 360 camera. So you can see in the front, you can see in the back, you have a full visibility of this entire truck, making it very easy and fun to drive. It also features a 3-year warranty, so it's backed by Rocky Ridge and by Chevrolet. This kit is well put together, and you're definitely going to enjoy driving this truck. All right, so there's a look at one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HDs equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. Definitely an aggressive truck. We have a lot of awesome features both on the exterior and the interior. If you want to come see this truck for yourself, you can check out all of our contact information down in the description.